I'm Recie, and I will be guiding you today through Ujjayi breath class. So take a comfy seat and come on, let's learn. Let's do some yoga. All right, welcome. So today's class is going to be about Ujjayi breath. And you might have heard this term used in public class. And I feel like sometimes it's not enough time to teach it properly. So today I'll be teaching you this to help you to succeed in all of your yoga classes. So Ujjayi breath is the most common modern yoga breath technique that is taught through most public classes today, and it has a lot of great benefits. One benefit is that it heats and warms up the body properly so you can do the yoga sessions safely. Number two, it helps calm the mind and the body. And number three is it connects the breath to ground you while you're moving along through your flow, which is the class, the asanas, the poses. So it's a very important factor in yoga classes, and so I want to make sure that I teach this carefully. So in class, before you get there, you'll be able to do this and connect with your body and connect the sequences and connect everything together. And so you're getting the entire big picture of it all. So Ujjayi breath is very different in that it is the opposite of every other exercise breath that you ever learned. I know. Mind blown. But it's very effective, and you will see why. So in Ujjayi, you will seal the lips, and your inhale is going to go all the way up through your nose. And you're also going to keep those lips sealed and exhale all out your nose, not your mouth. You're exhaling out your nose. So the point is to create a constriction in the back of the throat. Some people say it sounds like the ocean. Yeah, that's your perspective. Whatever you think it sounds like, that's what it'll sound like to you. So I'll demonstrate it, and then we'll take some breaths together, and you'll be all set to go take your vinyasa or restorative or yin class, and you'll have this knowledge that you have tapped in today. So I'm going to demonstrate. So if you paid attention, you're starting the breath in your belly, and it's moving all the way up to your lungs, then your throat, and then to your nose. And you're going to exhale it out in the opposite direction till it reaches back to your belly. Really try to use your center and move the breath up and down. So close your eyes, seal your lips, take a big inhale from your belly to your lungs, to your throat, down to your nose. With your lips still sealed, exhale out your nose, send it to your throat, to your lungs, now into your belly. Inhale through your belly, lungs, throat, nose. Exhale, nose, throat, lungs, belly. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more times together. Okay, now let's add one more component and then we will be done with this tutorial. So on the last component of Ujjayi breath, try lifting your tongue slightly up towards your rooftop, the mouth of your roof, not your rooftop. The mouth of your roof, the roof of your mouth. And then we'll take 5 breaths together and then we'll be done. All right. And we'll go at our own pace. Ready? Inhale. That's it. You're all set and ready to go. I hope you come along and take some more yoga classes with me. Like, comment, and subscribe. Namaste.